Thank you for inviting me to this closing session of the fifth NORA conference on scaling up European oyster reef restoration. Representing the Spanish government and the Spanish Presidency of the Council of the European Union, it is my pleasure to acknowledge the strength of this alliance working on native oyster restoration. Working together, you have developed a relevant contribution to the global challenges defined by the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration, aiming to reverse the degradation of ecosystems. Unprecedented threats are affecting oceans and coast, and as a society, we depend on knowledge to reseed or transplant key species, such as the native oyster. At this point, your work is broadening the state of knowledge in your field as evidenced by the large number and quality of contributions and issues tackled at this fifth NORA conference. And I would like to congratulate you for that. And by sharing it, you are also giving a European dimension to your work, and this multiplies its effects. I therefore very much welcome your way of bringing together interested parties and sharing knowledge on oyster biology, restoration methods and experiences, because in this way, you're achieving the most relevant assets of this conference. I've had the opportunity of visiting one of the restoration initiatives, part of the NORA Alliance, in a Spanish ecosystem that exemplifies the negative impact of human activity on nature. Mar Menor has suffered for decades from mining, intensive agriculture, and excessive urban development, which together led to a collapsed ecosystem. The restoration of this lagoon is involving today nature-based solutions, including the use of oyster in restoration. The work of scientists from the Spanish National Research Council and the Spanish Institute of Oceanography, providing knowledge, developing tools, involving administration, and raising awareness is leading the restoration process, and NORA is serving as a key reference for it all. This is what European cooperation means: hope for a better future based on a common effort. Please take this as an acknowledgement for your significant contribution, and let me urge you to continue your efforts. Thank you very much.